Hi, I'm Joe Howard, Executive Editor here at Transport Topics, coming to you from American Trucking Association's Management Conference and Exhibition here in Nashville. Saturday marked the first day of events, with the Texcelerate session kicking off the educational meetings. Members of TMC and ATRI focused on the future of ADAS technology adoption and the regulatory outlook from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. Also, Transport Topics reporter Connor Wolf had the opportunity to join autonomous technology developer Plus for a demonstration ride in their autonomous truck. During the 45-minute ride, Plus driver Ruben was on board while the truck navigated the busy streets of Nashville and the crowded interstates around the city. Plus uses sensors and cameras located on both side mirrors of the truck, the top of the windshield, and on the front bumper. Work was also well underway on the exhibit floor. The show floor will be open to attendees from Sunday to Tuesday. If you're here, stop by the Transport Topics booth in Pavilion A and say hello. For all of your MC&E updates and all the latest trucking news, visit us at ttnews.com.